In the far future, when the last star has burned out and the universe has gone dark, there will be no planets, no light, no life, only particles drifting in endless night. But the universe is very large, and it has a very long time to try anything that is possible. In the 1800s, a physicist named Ludwig Boltzmann suggested something strange. He said that in a universe full of chaos, order can appear randomly, just by chance, not often, but given infinite time, even the impossible becomes possible. Not a star, not a planet, not a civilization, just a brain. A single brain forming out of random atoms in space, complete with memories, thoughts, awareness. It would remember a childhood, friends, places, conversations, even this very moment. But none of it actually happened. The brain simply appeared, memories already inside it. This idea became known as the Boltzmann brain, and this is where things become unsettling. Because statistically, in an infinite universe, it is far more likely for one brain to appear than for an entire universe full of galaxies and billions of real people to exist. So the question becomes, what if you are not a person living in a universe, but a brain remembering a life that never happened? Now, here is where the story becomes even stranger. Scientists mapping the universe discovered something remarkable. Galaxies are not spread randomly. They form long filaments and clusters connected across space. This structure is called the cosmic web. And when you look at it, it looks familiar. It looks like neurons in the brain. It looks like the human nervous system. It even looks like the fibers in the human eye, the cornea and retina. And under a microscope, even bone fragments and ash sometimes form the same patterns, the same branching structures, the same clusters. Large scale, small scale, life, space, ash, neurons, galaxies, all following the same strange patterns, known as fractal. Patterns that repeat, no matter how much you zoom in or zoom out. So now the question becomes even stranger. What if the universe looks like a brain because it is one? And what if consciousness is not inside the universe, but the universe itself is thinking? And if Boltzmann was right, somewhere in the endless darkness of space, random particles will occasionally form a brain that wakes up for a few seconds, filled with memories of a life, a world, a past, and people it believes are real. It will look at the stars. It will wonder about the universe. It will ask where everything came from, not realizing it is alone. It has always been alone. And when the particles drift apart again, its entire universe will disappear with it. So the question is not whether we are alone in the universe. The question is, are we living in the universe? Or is the universe living inside a mind that appeared by chance in the dark?